Today I am playing Animal Company. What is this thing? Someone help me! Forever to load. There you go. Oh wow. Microphone on. Whoa. How do you guys play this game? What? What's happening?
Everybody.
Dude, what is happening?
Can you teach me how to play?
I'm new to the game, bro. Do you want to play together? Try to figure out.
Sure.
We
gotta go get the money. Bye.
Can you all be quiet, please? Can you all be quiet? I'm new to this game.
Can you be quiet, please?
No, can you be quiet? Can you all, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Wait, where are you guys going? Okay, I'm coming to wait, actually, I don't even know where the dinosaur is because I'm new to this game.
Okay,
I'm at a giant pit, guy. Can go to? Wait. Excuse me, can you all stop yapping into the microphone?
1, 2, 3, there's the fish guy.
I told you to be a little more quiet.
Be careful.
What is this thing? Someone help me.
What is she doing? Guys, the chicken.
No, I'm dead.
That big flashlight. Fly.
What is happening?
My teeth.
I landed on a landmine.
Buy me a big flashlight.
Guys, I'm at a dark, spooky lava pit.
Thank you. Somebody make. They just gave us $92.
Free flashlight for you.
Oh,
Flashlight, sell it.
I'm selling the.
Yeah, what a book bag.
That's. I'm joking. It's not gonna set off. It's not gonna set off. Look.
Okay. Set it off and then put it in.
Okay, let me put it in.
I got a freaking bed.
Sell it and then put it in.
Will you stop with
Give me, grenade.
Be
Oh, you
careful.
have
Don't
a
press
grenade.
B when you're holding it. Don't press B when you're holding it. or else that'll happen to you.
I threw a grenade
at him.
Can I have a grenade, please?
There you go.
Yo, who wants this backpack?
Yeah, there you go. Grenade. You got
Me,
it.
please.
Here, you can open it. There's stuff in there. You can open it.
How do you open it?
Okay, so loot out.
Give me my stuff back. Oh, put it in. Oh, my stuff. Yeah.
I mean, there has. Wait, what?
There's a